How to fix Instagram couldn't upload story on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't upload story on Android phone. All you need to do, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again and click on Instagram, and here you need to find this one, data usage, and now just enable this one, background data. You will find it like that, just enable it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and go to storage, clear cache. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and clear data, but you need to log in again and then just try it, and that will fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.